Benefits of leasing. Despite aggressive low-interest financing, cashback offers and other purchasing incentives offered by leading automakers to buyers, leasing numbers keep increasing steadily over the years. Leasing is not only an attractive financial proposition to most auto consumers, but also a lifestyle and preference choice. Benefit number 1. Keeping up with the latest trends. Leasing is sometimes more of a personal and lifestyle choice than a financial one. Many people are not comfortable with the idea of owning a vehicle over a long period of time. They'd rather keep up with the latest trends of the industry and drive the latest models every 2 to 3 years. Leasing a car gives you the convenience of having the latest technology and safety innovation, such as an electronic stability system, DVD, entertainment systems and advanced stereo equipment. If you are willing to forego ownership for the latest set of wheels, then leasing is your best option. Benefit number 2. Purchasing flexibility. Leasing also offers purchasing flexibility. It allows you to defer the purchasing decision while using the car. You don't have to haggle with your mechanic over repair expenses, deal with hefty maintenance bills or worry about a depreciating asset. Provided you can keep the vehicle in good condition and stay within the contracted mileage allowance, you're effectively getting a test drive for the length of your lease. At the end of your lease, you can purchase the vehicle or simply turn in the keys and walk away. No questions asked. Benefit number 3. Cash flow. Leasing offers many short-term benefits. It reduces your initial cash outlay as you do not have to pay the large down payment required for car ownership. You only pay for the depreciation on the car, only the part you will use during your lease, not the entire vehicle. This results in lower monthly payments and frees even more cash. This cash can be put to use more intelligently elsewhere than the questionable investment of owning a depreciating asset. If you are self-employed or use your car for your job, then you can write off your leasing payment as a business expense. Benefit number 4. Negotiating leverage. Although it may seem a little unorthodox in this industry, almost everything about leasing is negotiable. If you know all the fees involved, you can lower your monthly payments, negotiate the purchase price of the vehicle at the end of the lease and contract additional miles on top of your mileage limit. You can also do some shopping around and compare deals from different auto insurers to get the cheapest gap insurance for your lease. Click the link below for more information. Also, if this content was helpful to you, please give us a like and don't forget to share and subscribe.